Hey friends, Rob here. I want to do a quick review on this pendant light, LED strip light. So you can see this is what it looks like when it's mounted. So it has a base, and I'll show you what the base looks like here. That's what the base looks like. So it's got that nice black matte finish. Obviously all the connections to install it, your cord to help to make it, to drop it so it can hang suspended from the ceiling. This is the tube, this is the LED light. So it creates a cool pendant light effect. Super low watt, you can see that because being LED, so it's gonna be low on the expense of your lighting bill, but it's still gonna give you the light that you're after. So that's what it looks like. Modern, minimalist, pendant light. Just gorgeous. Love the little accents. Let me show you. So this is what it looks like when you get it in the box. So that's how thick it is. That's how long it is. There you go. And it's got these really great, just that, I love the brass fitting, just that little bit of it shows to give you that really cool effect of just that extra little taste and style. So when it's hanging from your ceiling, that's what it's gonna look like. And you got that nice little effect. And then of course the LED lights in there. And so it comes with everything that you need to mount it, to hang it, and to be able to have a really great lighting experience. So depending on your need, depending on where you're hanging it, would depend on how many of these you'd wanna have. But I recommend them. These are really, really cool and great for a kitchen, a living room, wherever you'd want them, a study, anywhere. This is gonna make whatever room you put them in, it's gonna raise it up a level. So if you're looking for something like this, I recommend it.